You think bad memory is why you forget stuff? Nope. The real culprit is distractions. A Harvard study found that when you lose focus, your brain takes up to 23 minutes to refocus. That means every time you check your phone, you're basically resetting your brain. Solution: the focus lock hack. Step 1. Put your phone in another room. Step 2. Use website blockers. Step 3. Try the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes. Take a 5-minute break. Your brain will crave those focused sessions. Think rereading your notes will help? Wrong. Harvard research shows that rereading is one of the least effective study methods. Instead, top students use active recall, which boosts memory retention by 65%. Here's how. Step 1. Read a topic once. Step 2. Close the book and write down what you remember. Step 3. Check what you missed and fill in the gaps. Your brain loves retrieval practice. The more you pull information from memory, the stronger it gets. Still pulling all-nighters? Bad idea. A Harvard study found that sleep boosts memory retention by 20%. But here's the kicker. You don't need more sleep, you need strategic sleep. Your brain processes information overnight, so here's the trick. Study before bed. Your brain will consolidate the info while you sleep. Power naps, 20 to 30 minutes, improve focus and problem-solving skills. Sleep does half the studying for you. Let your brain do its magic. You think highlighting helps you learn? Nope. A Duke University study found that highlighting is one of the least effective study techniques. Here's what actually works. 1. Flashcards. 2. Teaching someone else. If you can explain it, you understand it. 3. Chunking. Break big topics into tiny, memorable pieces. Test yourself. Don't just passively highlight. It's a game changer. Think coffee is the solution? Not always. Harvard research found that too much caffeine causes brain fog and anxiety. The real secret? Water. Dehydration lowers cognitive function by 10%. Solution? 1. Drink at least 2 liters of water daily. 2. Limit coffee after 3 p.m. to avoid sleep disruption. 3. Try green tea. It gives you focus without the crash. Here's a hack called interleaving. Mix up your study methods instead of cramming one subject. A Stanford study found this boosts learning by 43%. Don't just read, watch videos, quiz yourself, and practice questions. Your brain loves variety. Want one last hack? Move your body. 20 minutes of light exercise before studying boosts brain function. A Harvard study found it improves focus, memory, and creativity. Just a quick walk or stretching can make studying feel effortless. Now you have the ultimate brain hacks to study smarter, not harder. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more game-changing study tips. Also, share it with that friend who needs to listen to these tips too.